Yes. Ready? Leave granted. Stop. This appeal has been filed against the impugned judgment and final order dated 24 October 2013 passed by the High Court of Delhi at New Delhi in LPA number 3 of 2013, whereby the High Court has disallowed the action of the appellant-corporation in cancellation of the plot allotted under the relocation scheme on account of non-payment of the initial 50% amount towards the cost of the plot in terms of order dated 24 January 2001 passed by this court in MC Mehta versus Union of India and subsequently dismissed the LPA of the appellant-corporation. Stop. The brief facts of the case are stated here under. Stop. The appellant corporation is the agency implementing the direction of this court in the case of MC Mehta (Supra) for the relocation of industries that are carrying on business in non-conforming areas or are misusing residential properties. Stop. Stanza. The respondent, who was running a commercial/industrial establishment in a residential premises, made an application dated 23 December 1996 for the allotment of a plot under the relocation scheme and also furnished a sum of rupees 60,000 along with the application. Stop. The respondent was required to make a further deposit of 30% of the tentative cost of the plot, which amounts to rupees 75,000, apart from the earnest money paid along with the application, which was duly deposited by him on 9 May 2000. Stop. The application of the respondent was accepted and he was allotted a plot measuring 150 square meters, bearing number 57, Pocket 1, Sector 2, Bhavna Industrial Area, Delhi, in accordance with the allotment letter issued on 23 October 2000. Stop. The appellant-corporation also informed the respondent that the cost of the plot stood revised from rupees 3,000 per square meter to rupees 4,200 per square meter, and the respondent was also required to deposit 50% of the revised estimated cost, which announced to rupees 3,15,000 within a period of 3 months from 23 October 2000. Stop. Stanza. Pursuant to an order dated 24 January 2001 passed by this court in MC Mehta's case (Supra), the date for depositing the requisite amount was subsequently extended to 31 March 2001. Stop. The respondent failed to deposit the said amount despite the extension of the period given by this court. Stop. The respondent deposited an amount of rupees 1,80,000 to complete the payment of 50% of the cost of the plot on 27 November 2001 instead of the stipulated date, that is 31 March 2001, without any demand and permission from the appellant corporation. Stop. Stanza. The payment challan states that any late payment or payment without demand would not create any right upon the property. Stop. On 27 July 2004, an aggregate sum of rupees 4,27,000 100 was deposited by the respondent on a demand made by an office of the appellant corporation to complete the balance payment of 50% of the cost of the plot as well as the interest of delay in making payment stop. Further on 14 November 2006, the respondent received a communication from the appellant corporation demanding certain documents to facilitate the handing over the possession of the plot to the respondent. Stop stanza.